Hello and welcome to Midas Markets Daily News. Let's kick off your trading day with the latest financial news and market headlines.
Hi traders, this is Jason with the market update. The US dollar index pulled back slightly after US inflation data came in line with expectations and lower oil prices cooled rate hike concerns. Still, the dollar posted a second straight weekly gain and touched a 1-3 month high. The move reflects strong expectations for a hawkish Fed under wash, supported by equity volatility and geopolitical uncertainty. WTI crude started the week near $70 per barrel. Geopolitical risk remains the key driver after renewed US strikes on Iranian targets and Iran's warning over control of the Strait of Hormuz. Last week, oil prices saw a sharp rollercoaster move. Easing supply concerns initially drove prices lower, but attacks near Oman and renewed US-Iran tensions triggered a technical rebound. Spot gold traded around $4,020 per ounce on Monday, supported by softer rate hike expectations and a pullback in the US dollar. Last week, gold saw heavy selling, briefly breaking below the $4,000 level and hitting a 7-month low near $3,959. However, prices later stabilized and staged a strong rebound. The latest bounce appears more like a cooling of rate hike panic than a full macro reversal, as high treasury yields continue to pressure gold's valuation. The yen climbed as high as 161.93 last week, just below the 1,986 high of 161.96. The pair has risen in 6 of the past 7 weeks, driven mainly by the wide US-Japan interest rate gap. With the Fed rate at 3.5% to 3.75% and the Bank of Japan rate still around 1%, carry trades continue to pressure the yen. Japanese officials have discussed possible policy responses, including intervention, but markets believe intervention may only slow, not reverse yen weakness. Euro extended gains for a third straight session, trading near 1.142 during Monday's Asian session. However, the euro's upside may face resistance if geopolitical uncertainty triggers renewed safe haven demand for the dollar. Markets are closely watching US-Iran tensions, especially after reports that both sides agreed to pause recent hostilities and resume talks over the Strait of Hormuz. With official delegations expected to meet in Qatar, any progress could influence risk sentiment and short-term dollar direction.
We hope you enjoyed today's market outlook. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Remember to join us tomorrow morning for the freshest news.